Ayan, sunset. Maganda pag sunset na nandito ka po sa may church. Yan. Nakikita mo ang sunset. So, ayan guys, tapos na po tayo doon sa may church. Dito naman po tayo sa side na to, yung old cemetery po. Ayan, medyo malayo-layo. So, ayan, samahan nyo kaming mamasyal dito sa may old cemetery, dito sa may Santa Maria. Halos karugtong din po ng compound ng ating church. Ayan. Tara na guys. Ito. Ayan, ito po. Same din mga old bricks po din. Kaya makikita din po natin yung isang cross doon, pero hindi ko alam kung ano, kung mapupuntahan pa po natin. Ayan.
Did you know that the 18th century hilltop church of Santa Maria Alaco Sur is a celebrated UNESCO World Heritage Site? Reached by an impressive flight of 85 stone steps. The brick sanctuary complex includes a partially leaning bell tower and a large convent. Connected to the church by an arched bridge. Behind the hill is an abandoned circular cemetery. Reached also by a descending staircase of 70 steps. A pathway then leads to an enclosure marked by a tall and ornate arched portal. Now overgrown with vegetation. Within the grounds, or the decaying remains of a chapel, with a beautiful facade, still evoking its former glory. Inside is a still intact stone retablo or altarpiece. The staircase, leading to the cemetery as well as the stone cladding surrounding portions of the hill were placed in 1859. And it's possible the present remains of the portal and chapel date to the same period. Santa Maria Cemetery is undoubtedly one for superlatives. Ariel, why can you find a heritage place that has such wondrous details? The National Historical Commission of the Philippines NCHP. Plans to restore the cemetery site, which was closed for burials around 1987. But the process of reinvigorating the Campo Santo area is not without its woes. One reason why the cemetery was abandoned is because the ground is prone to flooding. Recent torrential rains have created a muddy field, and persistent efforts to clear the site of overgrowth get frustrated.
Ayan guys, malapit-lapit na po tayo. So, ayan, tapos na po tayo dito sa my old cemetery, guys. Ayan. Alis na po tayo. Then, meron din naman pong pumunta. So, ayan, dito na, hanggang dito na lang po yung pag-ikot natin. Dito sa may Santa Maria Church. Ayan, kasali na po dito yung ating old cemetery, guys. So, ayan, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.